I'm Maddie.
And I'm Nick.
We're here to show you this year's 15 finalist videos for Samsung's Solve for Tomorrow.
Let's take a look.
Horizon Middle School, Colorado.
Wanting to give back in their community, students contacted a local veteran and learned his specific needs. Using his preferences, they designed a new prosthetic attachment that allows this veteran to pursue active hobbies.
We are from Horizon Community Middle School in Aurora, Colorado. Just an everyday school with an extraordinary range of ethnicities, including 35 languages from 56 different countries. We don't let the difference in languages keep us from doing unimaginable things.
Our school is on the edge of Buckley Air Force Base. Many of our community members are retired and active military. The students at Horizon wanted to give back to the community. We determined that the best way to do this was to help veterans who had lost a lower limb in the service of our country. We wanted to be able to build a prosthetic that would fit many different attachments, allowing these veterans to be an active and healthy lifestyle.
We found Kyle Kelly, a retired Marine machine gunner from the Gulf War. Kyle's problem is that his prosthetic is uncomfortable and painful, causing irritable cuts, bruises, and swelling on his residual limb. Our mission is to build Kyle a super comfortable and safe prosthetic.
Using the engineering process and STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, our next step was to research the background knowledge we needed to build a better leg. We started researching the components of an organic and artificial limb, including talking to local engineers. We generated initial ideas and sketches. Kyle Kelly came in for an interview and leg measurements. After this, the teams got to work. We started sketching and tweaking our original ideas to fit Kyle's requirements. We needed to make sure that Kyle was comfortable, safe, and had full functionality of his prosthetic.
In our teams, we worked on designing 3D scale models of our prosthetics with a program called SolidWorks. After we were finished with our models, we printed out our prototypes on a 3D printer.
Later, our friend Kyle visited for the second time to answer last-minute questions about his prosthetic. We talked about the different types of suspensions and sockets. Kyle told us about what types of sockets he had seen and liked. We took our new knowledge about Kyle's likes and dislikes and redesigned our prosthetic appropriately. With the newest prototypes printed, we put them through many stress tests. We used a computer animation program called Maya to help with our stress tests.
Finally, it was time for us to assemble our final scale model prosthetic. The 4 design teams got together and started pulling different designs from each team. Our building teams began the construction of Kyle's longboard. Final scale model is made with a suction suspension, and the components are easily removable with a pull of a pin. This way, Kyle could have a variety of feet on his prosthetic for his interests, such as hiking in the mountains. Different attachments would be able to withstand different types of terrain.
This project will continue to keep up with Kyle and our other amputee war veterans in the community. Our goal is not to help one, but to help many. Every few years, we will adjust the prosthetic to their ever-changing residual limb, providing a prosthetic that keeps up with their changing lives.
That was pretty neat.
Want to vote for your favorite finalists?
Go to samsung.com/solve to learn how.
Ready,
Set,
vote!